the initiatives from today and the declaration are an important part. And there are 16 actions to be taken by the end of next year. And that's going to make a difference in terms of dealing with this huge humanitarian crisis on our doorstep.
What were the main issues raised during this first session?
Well, the main issues really centre on dealing with the migration crisis, looking at the countries of origin, the countries of transit, and talking about how Europe and Africa, there are different perspectives, but we do have a lot in common in terms of eradicating poverty, providing more legal routes for migration, but equally dealing with the people smugglers and traffickers and interrupting the crime gangs and following the money that is being made from this appalling crime of human trafficking that is putting so many lives at risk. So it was a very broad discussion so far, looking at what we need to do with the immediate crisis, but also examining the deeper issues that lead to migration from Africa.
There's been a state that has had a very important role, rescue at sea, and being a small country has indeed always had a positive attitude towards the refugee problems, and I think this initiative is a very important contribution of Malta to the solution of the very complex set of international problems.
Do you think we'll be having results tomorrow?
Sorry?
Do you think we'll be seeing some results tomorrow?
I hope so.
Hemm konverġenza fl-idejat resqin lejn xulxin.
Ħina mid-diskussjoni li segwejt jidher li hemm ammont ta' rieda tajba li insibu l-affarijiet il-komuni bejnietna u naħseb jiena dik hija dispożizzjoni pożittiva ħafna.
Wait and see until tomorrow. We heard only speeches today.
Naħseb dak li ħankun qegħdin nagħmlu għadha bl-iffirmar tal-Trust Fund ħajkun post importanti l-ewwel wieħed mhux l-aħħar wieħed.
Kellek ukoll laqgħa bilaterali ma' Cameron jekk nista' żball ġew diskussi xi punti partikolari hemmhekk.
Diskutejna il-talbiet ta' renegozjazzjoni tal-Ingilterra qed lil David Cameron dak li jgħid fil-Parlament. Li aħna naqblu totalment mal-Ingilterra fuq il-bżonn ta' aktar flessibilità, imma l-flessibilità trid tkun hemmhekk għal kulħadd u mhux flessibilità mhux qiegħed fiż-żona euro u li titpatta b'aktar reġidità fiż-żona euro. Ġifieri aħna mhux ħanaċċettaw li nkunu aħna nirħallsu il-prezz ta' iktar flessibilità għall-Ingilterra jew għal ħadd ieħor. Flessibilità naqblu magħha totalment kif naqblu mal-completion tas-single market imma rridu għal kulħadd. Okay? Grazzi.